I was recommended from 90 SSB Allahabad on 20th December 2020. This time I was feeling little bit nervous because I have to perform better and I have to somehow, anyhow I have to get screened in. The performance pressure was also there. One incident I like to mention, that I has written in my PIQ form that I have done swimming in my school, and the interviewing officer had asked me that tell me the some players of swimming who are representing India. In the meantime, when I was not getting the idea, I was keep participating myself and keep the things doing and along with help of my teammates. My command task was not very complicated, but it was not too simple, and that I have to use some of my ideas so that I can cross that obstacles. In the conference, that we were very excited as well as very nervous that who is going to be recommended. He had announced 3 chest numbers, and he had told that all these chest numbers which I am announcing, they are their documents is not verified, and there is some problem in their documents, and they might contact UPSC. And that time I had lose my all the hope. That officer had told me that it was just a joke, that he was putting us in pressure. There was no documents error. Good evening to everyone. Today I am Sunny Yadav. I am here to share my SSB experience. I was recommended from 90 SSB Allahabad on 20th December 2020, and now I will like to share my SSB experience, that how I performed there, all the tasks and activities that was given there. Then starting from the day 1, I was for their Army SSB. Earlier what happens there, that the candidates who are appearing for Army SSB, they are called for previous one day, but now due to pandemic, we had been called on day 1, and we have reported on very early morning, and we have got some refreshment. Then there was a picture perception and description test, and in that screening test, firstly we were given the 2 tests of reasoning and a 50-50 question of both. The test was consist of both verbal and non-verbal reasoning test, and I have done good in both the tests. I have attempted all the questions because there was no negative marks of negative marks on any wrong answer. I have attempted all the questions, and I have done good. I was satisfied with my performance. And after that, we have been shown a picture, and for 30 seconds, and we have to write a story. And after seeing that picture, we have to write a story, and our story should be like that. It should be in context of that picture. What the picture is showing us, we have to write a story based on that. I would like to mention that what was picture shown to us. It was like a picture showing that a old man, we can say, I have assumed it was a beggar, and he was asking for some help from a person who was studying a newspaper in his lawn. Then I have made a story that the plot of that story was the helping the poor man. And after making the story, that we have given a 10 or 15 minutes break, and after that break, that we have been seated in a common hall, in which we were divided in various groups. And this was the 3rd SSB. In the previous both SSB, I was got screened out. But that's why this time I was feeling little bit nervous, because I have to perform better and I have to somehow, anyhow I have to get screened in. The performance pressure was also there. So then what's happened, that in that time I was feeling nervous, but I have got some confidence. Then said to myself only that I am the one who have to got a cleared stage 1. So I have to be very confident. And in this way I have gathered my confidence and started that test. In narration part, I was in the group on the very 2nd number. Then I have narrated my story, and I was very confident that time in narrating a story, and I have narrated good story. And after listening the story of all my group members, candidates, Then we have to move to a common conclusion, that we have to start the group discussion. In that discussion, I have also participated very well. We were getting some. I have got some chances to speak, and I have taken the idea of whole group and also given some of my ideas that how we can approach a common group story. And after this test, we have told to move outside from that hall. And after that, after 1.5 hours, result were announced, and I was thinking that my result will announce later on, but I was the person who I got result announced on very second time. I have got a second chest number. I was not thinking of that, but I was feel very better, and I was confident that there is something, there is the quality that are required. I that time realized that there is something. That's why I have got selected. In the previous attempts, I was not getting selected, but it might be possible that I have got some good things in me, and from that there I have gathered my confidence. On the very next day, after the stage 1, on the day 2, it was psychology test. And what happened in Allahabad board and all other boards, we have a photography session, and we have enjoyed that. We have been, the photographs were clicked of our all groups members, and after that there was a psychology test. What happened in psychology test, that there were 12 pictures shown to us, the first test of TAT, thematic apperception test, and in that test 11 pictures were shown, and we have to write a story same as we have written in PP and DT test. And there I have also written a story. There were 11 pictures, and under 12 picture is a blank picture. Then we have to write a story based on our experience, on whatever the story we can write on that. After the TET, there is a WAT test, word association test, in which we get 50 minutes for that test, and each word, there will be words shown to us, 60 words, and each words will be comprised of 15 seconds, and we have to write a sentence on that particular word. And after this test, immediately we will given a situation reaction test. In situation, we will again given a 60 questions for 30 minutes, and we have to attempt that test. And I have attempted in 30 minutes. I was able to attempt 36 SRTs in 30 minutes. And after that, there is self-description test of 15 minutes, in which we have to write that what your teachers thinks about yourself, what your parents thinks about yourself, what your friends thinks about yourself, and what type of person you are, and which type of person you want to become in future. Then I have mentioned all these things in a good manner. I have also written there what are the lackings and what are the negative qualities, as well as positive qualities that are with me, what my teachers told about me, what my friends think about me. I have also mentioned that whatever the things that are with me, I have all mentioned that. And after that test, after the test was over, the very second day, on the very second day, it was an interview, and I have got the test number 2. Then my interview was very soon. In the interview, earlier I was again I was little bit nervous, because I was fresher and I was getting for interview the first time. Then but the interview was very comfortable. When I have given that interview, my interview was taken by the board president, and in the very first question that was asked to me in interview, when I started my interview, I would like to share it with you. And that the question was that your name is Sunny, and it is not an usual name. So from where you will got that name, and what is the background of your name? The very first question. Then I have answered it. That I was not prepared for this question, but I have answered this, that sir, my mom used to watch the Sunny Maharaj serial that was on TV, and from there she has given this name to me. And in the interview, in the meantime, there were various questions asked, so that I will get some pressure. One incident I like to mention, that I has written in my PIQ form that I have done swimming in my school, and the interviewing officer had asked me that tell me the some players of swimming who are representing India. Then I was not able to got that name, and I have told sir that I am not knowing. I will let you know later. But again, to pressurize me, he had asked me that which are the countries who are doing good and why they are doing good. Then I have answered that there are various countries like US, Australia, Japan, China. They are doing good, and they have. Then I also told them that they are having good infrastructure. And then again, the question was asked that let assume yourself that you are a sports minister. Then how you going to improve the situation of swimming in India? Then I have thought for 20 to 30 seconds. Then I have answered him that sir, if I will be of a sports minister, then firstly I will talk to central government to give a good amount of GDP and contribute a good finance on the sports activities so that it can be promoted, and especially for swimming. Then I have told them I will organize some events and at local level, and also open some swimming competitions and swimming pools also, so that the boys and the children who are there in village area, they can get that exposure, so that they can enhance their qualities. And in this way, the mostly questions were asked from me in interview were based on my PIQs, and some general awareness question, like they have asked me that which are the states which are having the border with China and Myanmar. These were questions from geography. They have also asked me, tell me the difference between SAARC and ASEAN. All these things were asked, and they have also told me that I have told him that I am pursuing BA, and my subject is history, geography, and political science. That's why they have asked some questions based on history, that which were the colonial power which have captured India in 16th centuries. All these questions were there. And after the interview, in the very last, the question was like that, tell me about your 2 positive and 2 negative qualities in a very summarized manner. Then I have told him my bad and good qualities. After that, it was a good interview. I was not able to answer some questions, but I was very confident in answering that sir, I don't know, I will let you know later in conference hall. And I have told him. And after the interview, there was on day 3rd, it was GTO ground task, and on the very first task was that group discussion. In group discussion, we have given topic that anti-China sentiments in world is rising, and what are the various there were 3 leads that were given on this various particular topic, and these leads were like that recent pandemic, and another one was that China expansionist policy, and third one was China's economic policies. Then I have chosen the China's expansionist policy. That's why the anti-sentiments against China is rising nowadays. And we have done a good discussion in that GD. I have participated very well in that in that GD only. And after the GD, there was GP, just a group planning exercise. We were shown a chart in which we were having the 4 problems, and we have to solve that problems by priority wise according to own self. Then I have realized all these problems, and I have given my solutions, and I have written that solution, and we have also have a good discussion in that GP, and we have moved to common conclusion, and session number 6 have given the common conclusion. And after that GP, there were group obstacle race. In group obstacle race, that we have to cross all these obstacles along with the group with a war cry, and we have and then we as a group have done very good in that. I have also helped some of my teammates so that they can cross the wall, because I was tall and I was healthy. That's why I was behind and pushing them so that they can jump the walls that were there, and I had helped them in crossing that ropes, etc. And in this way, that group obstacle race was completed. And after that, there was PGT, that progressive group task, in which we have to cross the 4 stages. Then the first 1 and 2 stage was little bit simple, but whenever as you progress, the task were some complicated, and we have to give some ideas, and we have provided some that balli and that plank and some rope and some helping materials. Then after by using all these materials we have to cross the obstacles, and we have done it. I have also given some idea. In the meantime, when I was not getting the idea, I was keep participating myself and keep the things doing and along with help of my teammates. In this way the PGT was also completed, and after that our group was divided into half, and we were our group was of 9, and we were having half group task. We were having the 5 members in half group task, and in half group task we have to complete one obstacle, one stage, and in that I have also participated good and given some ideas, and we have crossed that stage. And after that, on that day, the last task was of lecturate, and I have given some topics like global economic forum and GDP, and one I have forgotten, and I have chosen the topic that mobile phone. Then I have in lecture I was confidence. I have spoken good. Good in that lecture with confidence, and that in this way GTO day 3 was completed. And on the GTO day 4, it was 3 obstacles were left. These were individual obstacles. The first one, an individual obstacle, I have performed as I was having the good stamina at that time, and I have performed good, and I have done 13 obstacles in that individual obstacle. And after that we were we were having the command task. In command task, the GTO has called me, and he had asked some simple question from where you are and from where you have got the preparation for SSB. These were normal questions, so that I will get comfortable with him. And after that that I have to call 2 of my subordinates, so that I can cross that obstacle. The command task was like the same that we have done earlier in PGT and SGT, and I have done good in that command task. My command task was not very complicated, but it was not too simple, and that I have to use some of my ideas so that I can cross that obstacles. And along with the help of my subordinates, I have done that. I have done particularly good in that command task. I have done good in command tasks if I'll compare this with PGT and SGT. And after completing a command task, the last task that was left, that was final group task, in which whole group was again combined, and the final group task was very easy one, and we have completed that task in just 2 minutes, and by applying our own ideas. In this way my SSB was completed. SSB all task was completed, and on the last day it was a conference. In the conference, that we were very excited as well as very nervous that who is going to be recommended, and all these things were there. Somebody was saying that this chest number and these were getting recommended, but after in conference when I was called that in that conference there was some question were asked that I have to rate my performance, that how I have performed in all the different tasks, like that. Then I have rated that I have done good in psychology test, and second one was interview, and third one was in GTO. And I have told him that, sir, I have done good in GTO, but I might have improved, and I have told him that GTO was not as much as good as my expectation. Then again I have after that I was the question that I was asked in conference that okay, Sunny, you are son of farmer, then how you are seeing the farm protests that are going in all throughout the countries. Then I have told him that why these farm protests are going on, and why farmers are reluctant to accept the government proposals. And after that they have just asked me about my stay, and I have told them it was okay. Then I have come out from that conference hall, and after 1 hour of that conference, that our results were announced. In that announcing the results, there was very excitement, and that time he had announced 3 chest numbers, and he had told that all these chest number which I am announcing, their documents is not verified, and there is some problem in their documents, and they might contact UPSC. And that time I had lose all the hopes, because my chest number was also announced, and I have considered myself that there is some error in my documents, and I have been out. But later on, but later on he result was announced and he had called my chest number. I was very surprised after them calling my chest number, and I have to shout my chest number as well as UPSC roll number. I was not able to call that time, but after 15 seconds after, then I have called my chest number, and later on that officer had told me that it was just a joke, that he was putting us in pressure. There was no documents error, and then we got comfortable, and in this way I was get recommended, and after that our medical had started. And in my success, I would like to thanks various personalities. Like firstly, I would like to thank this coaching institute, the various defense academy, who has especially Gulab Singh sir, who has helped me when I was 2 times screened out. He had given me some confidence. He has boosted my confidence, and he had told me, no, don't worry, that you will get next time. You have to perform you have to give your 100% and don't bother about results. Along with also my seniors, as I am from the UP Sainik School, Lucknow, and so that's why the things that were within me, that were forcing me that you can do it, because you are from Sainik School, you are having that potential, and you can do it, and you have to not thakna nahi hai, and that had pushed me. That's why I have able to perform better, and along with help my batchmates as well as seniors and all the faculty members, I was able to qualify that SSB, and I will thank them all for building up and giving my boosting my confidence to get recommended. Thank you.